What's up guys, welcome back. Let's continue our compound interest challenge. Let's see where we left off. Session 9, we ended with a balance of $310.12. We are going to play session number 10. So the starting unit size for session 10 is $5. We're looking for a balance of $326, which means we will have to make around $16 for session 10. Let's go. Check out our balance. It is $308.86, slightly down because of Bitcoin. That's okay. We're gonna find a table and get started. I am on speed Baccarat L. The strategy I will be playing is X marks the spot, but instead of looking at the main road, I will be looking at the Big I road instead. Okay, so let's look at what this free hand is. It is a blue circle. Okay, so that is the first result I will be jotting down if you want to follow along with me. So I'm gonna take a free hand here and then bet for a red circle since we're playing X marks the spot. Okay, that was a red circle. I'm gonna bet for a red circle, so I will place 1 unit on banker. Again, I'm looking at the Big I road. The betting strategy I'm using today is the Oscars grind. So we will start with 1 unit. Our unit size is $5. After a win, we will add 1 unit, go to 2 if we are down. All right, with the Oscars grind, you're looking at 1 unit at a time. So we lose that bet. I'm gonna take a free hand here. I'll play 2 sequences of the X. So we lost that first bet for Oscar's grind. What we will do is continue to bet $5 until we hit a win. Once I hit a win, I'll increase my unit size by 1 until I profit 1 unit. Okay? Another blue circle. I'm looking right over here. Big I road. This is sequence number 2, so after this free hand, I will bet for the red circle. Okay, here we go. Looking for the red circle, so I'll place a bet on player. 1 unit still. Okay, natural 9, perfect. We pick up that win. Now, we are neutral right now, so there isn't a need for me to increase my unit size to 2. If we hit the next win, we will be up 1 unit. And that's what we're looking for with Oscar's grind. 1 unit at a time. Okay, we get a red. I'm looking for the red circle here, so I'll place a bet on banker. I am back on sequence 1 of the X. I'm betting the middle spot here. And since we hit on sequence 2, we are no longer playing that sequence, just looking for a hit on sequence 1 here. Okay, so we lose that bet. We get a blue instead. Gonna take a free hand here. Okay, I'm still looking for a hit on sequence 1, but this free hand right here will be the start of another sequence number 2. I'm playing them simultaneously. Okay, my free hand for sequence 2 is a red circle. I will take 1 more free hand here and then start betting. Another red. So I'm looking for a blue circle here for sequence 2. I'm going to place a bet on banker to get the blue circle. Okay, we lose that. Another red. Back to sequence 1. Looking for a red circle here. So my bet will be on player. Nope, I get a blue circle instead. I'm going to take a free hand here. And if the next bet loses, that means an X has formed on us on sequence 1, unfortunately. It does happen. Okay, we get another red. I'm looking for a red circle. Last bet of sequence 1 here. I'll place a bet on bank. Natural 8, we do get the red circle. Okay. So after a win, we increase and add an extra unit. Alright, so when I play sequence 2, I'm looking for the middle bet here. We will place a 2-unit bet. With Oscar's grind, after a win, you increase your unit size until you get to a +1. Okay. Alright, that was a blue. I'm looking for a blue circle. So I'm going to place a bet on bank. Up to 2 units now for the Oscar's grind. This is sequence number 2, okay? The middle bet, in case you're following along with me. Natural 8, perfect. We do get our blue circle. So I've hit on both sequences 1 and 2. I'm going to scratch everything and start over. We are neutral with that hit, so I can go back down to 1 unit. Remember, we're still looking for a +1. We have not reached a +1 yet. So with that win, we are at break even, and we can lower our betting amount back to 1 unit. So free hand here, it is a blue circle. So after this free hand, we will bet for the red circle for sequence 1. I hope everybody's following along. Okay, another blue. I'm looking for a red circle here. So let's see, I'm gonna place a bet on player. Back to 1 unit. We're looking for 1 unit at a time with Oscar's grind. That's it. Okay, there we go. Pick up 1 unit. We hit on the red circle. All right, that's a +1. I'm going to exit this table and look for another unit on another table. Okay, I am on speed Baccarat A, and on this table we'll play the no mirror strategy, but I will be looking at the cockroach road. All right, right over here with the red and blue slashes. I will do columns of 5 in case you want to follow along. I'm going to start recording from the last result. Last result was a blue slash. That's my first result that I will jot down. Blue. Okay, the next one, as you can see, is a red slash. I'm going to wait for 3 more free hands. Once my column of 5 is complete, we will bet for the no mirror on the following column. Okay, looking for 1 unit. Oscar's grind. Okay, the last result of our column is a red. So I'm looking for the red slash here. I will place 1 unit on player. So what I have here on my sheets for the column is blue, red, blue, red as my column of 5, and we're playing the no mirror, the opposite of that right now. Okay, we pick up a win here on our first try. Great. That's 1 unit for us. Perfect. Let's go look for another unit on another table. I am on speed Baccarat J. Let's go back to X marks the spot. I will be looking at the small road. This one right over here. Okay, to play X marks the spot. I will take a free hand right now. Okay, the first result I'm writing down is the blue ball. Okay. So 1 more free hand, and then we will bet for the red ball since we're playing the X. Okay, another blue. Here we go. I'm betting for the red ball, so I'll place 1 bet on banker. And remember, guys, if you don't know how to play the X or the no mirror, go to my YouTube channel and search them up. Natural 9, we pick up a win right away. Perfect. We are not at 326 just yet, so you know what? Let's go to one more table. I'm going to place a $4 bet, playing the no mirror on another table, okay? Okay, speed Baccarat H. I will be looking at the Big Eye Road. I'm going to play the no mirror. Starting now, I will record the results, okay? Column of 5. And we will lower our unit size slightly to $4 instead of 5 because I'm looking for a balance of 326, okay, for this session. Okay, we get a red circle here on the Big Eye Road. That is my first result that I'm jotting down. Red, looking for 4 more free hands. Now, normally we would be done with this session because we have picked up 3 units already, but because of the price of Bitcoin going down, our balance, you know, goes down along with it. It's unfortunate, but you know what? I'm going to try to hit the exact numbers for you guys so we're super accurate on our spreadsheet. Okay, we get a blue circle on the Big Eye Road. I'm looking for 3 more free hands and then we will start betting. Okay, our column of 5 is complete. I'm ready to bet, looking for the blue circle. So I'm gonna place a bet on player. My column of 5 looks like this: red, blue, 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 blue. I'm looking at the Big Eye Road, remember. All right, perfect. We pick up a win right away. Great. Our goal for this session was $326. Look at our balance, 326.86. So let's exit this table. Okay guys, let's remember this number, 326.86. I'm gonna pull up the spreadsheet. Okay, so for session 10, that's 326.86. There we go, session 10 in the books. I will see you guys for session number 11. Back for session number 11, our balance is $326.86. Let's pull up our spreadsheet. Okay, so for session 11, we're gonna stick with a starting unit size of $5. I'm looking for an ending balance of $342, which means we have to make around $16 for session number 11. Let's go. Okay, I am on speed Baccarat G. I will play X marks the spot on the Big Eye Road once again. Okay, so just looking for the first result here. We'll take some free hands and then start playing. I will continue using the Oscars grind, okay guys? And we're looking for a balance of $342 for this session. So as you can see, the first result on the Big Eye Road is a blue circle. I'm gonna go ahead and write that down. So if you guys wanna follow along, that is where I'm starting. 1 more free hand and then we will bet for the red circle. Okay, the free hand was another blue circle. I'm looking for the red circle this time. So 1 unit on player. Okay, perfect. We pick up that win. We get the red circle right away. I am now going to switch over to the no mirror, but I'm going to continue looking at the Big Eye Road. I'll do columns of 5 once again. So we have our first 3 results. It's blue, blue, red. So looking for 2 more free hands here, and then we will play the no mirror on the Big Eye Road. 4 results now, okay? So 1 more free hand. Okay, our column of 5 is complete. Let's go ahead and play no mirror. I'm looking for the red circle, so 1 unit on banker. And with Oscar's grind, normally after a win you increase to 2 units, but in this case, since we're up in the positive, there's no need to do that. It's only when you're in the negative, okay guys? So no mirror, big eye road, first bet. All right, perfect. We hit on the no mirror. We get the red circle. I am up 2 units. So let's go over to another table and look for 1 more unit. Okay guys, I'm on speed Baccarat M, and I will go back to X marks the spot. I will play it on the cockroach road. All right, so the red and blue slashes right over here. The next hand will be the first hand that I write down in case you're following along with me. So let's see what comes out here. Okay, first result is a blue slash. I'm gonna go ahead and write that down. So after this free hand, we will bet for a red slash and play X marks the spot, okay? Another blue slash. Okay, I'm ready to bet, looking for the red slash. 1 unit on banker. First sequence of X marks the spot. Looking for 1 unit only. Natural 9, we pick up that win right away. So we hit on the very first bet of sequence 1. That's 3 units for this session. So you know what? We're gonna go ahead and exit the table. Our goal for this session was $342. Take a look at our balance. 341.36. Close enough. We're not gonna be picky over $1 or 2, okay? So let's remember that number, 341.36. I'm gonna pull up the spreadsheet. Okay, 341.36. There we go, session number 11 in the books. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, sessions 10 and 11. What a breeze. That was super easy, especially after the grind we had for session 9. I told you guys, every session is different. We had a hard time for session 9, but today's sessions 10 and 11, super quick, super easy. That's how it goes. You have to be ready for the swings. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any upcoming sessions that I upload. We are on fire with my basketball picks, over $1,800. That's plus 18 units. If you want to subscribe and join, go to my website, mrrafael.com. Once again, thank you everybody for tuning in. Have a great day. I will catch you in the next one. Ciao.